What's up, guys? This is 410 Auto Tech. Just want to give a big shout out to all the guys that have joined my giveaway, my first giveaway. I was very excited, and by the looks of it, through the comments, everyone else was excited as well. I've gotten positive feedback on everything so far. Like I said, if I'm going to give away a gift to you guys, it's going to be something that I use. I just want to give a quick shout out to my subscribers that have been with me from day one. You guys showed me positive feedback. And to my new subscribers, thank you for watching my videos. I'll be uploading more soon. And just this is my little small giveaway to say thank you guys for allowing me to showcase my content to you guys as well. So we're just gonna hop right into the video, and good luck to you guys. So the winner's definitely gonna get this, the ratcheting driver set from Cornwell. I use it all the time, and then they'll get paired with the Solus Pro. So you'll have light if you're working on dashes or whatever you're doing. You're gonna win that as well. So let's get into the winner. So here's my page. Here is. Back to you guys for allowing me to pause it, and I have already pre-counted, and there's about 40 contestants, and there's some guys in here that said, you know, if they win, that they want to pay it forward and give it to the next guy. But I'll show you that clip if it lands on someone that has chosen not to win. Alright, so I've already downloaded a random number generator. I've already typed in the parameters of the contest, and let's see who's the winner. Let's see right here. 14, you're the winner. Alright, so 14 won. Go on my video. Pause that. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14. Fleet Tech dude won. But as you can see, no need to enter him. So he's one of the guys that said pay it forward. So we're going to jump right back into the generator and see who won. Alright, so let's see. Number 7, you're now the winner. 7 is the winner now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, look, Rust Belt. 7. Miguel Mendez is the winner. And as you can see, he is a subscriber, and he's actually been subscribed to my channel for a while. So Miguel, just email me at 410autotech@gmail.com. Send me your information. You are the winner. I hope you enjoy this gift. Like you said in your comment, you could have used it when you were doing that heater core, but next time you need to do anything like that, now you have the tools to do it. Thank you. There you guys have it. My first mechanics tool giveaway. Congratulations to Miguel Mendez. You've been a long time subscriber now. I'm excited for you to win this. I know you're going to put these tools to use. And just it's Sunday, so I'm going to give you till Wednesday night at 10 p.m. at night to reach out to me and send me your information so I can send it to you. And if you, at that point, if you don't send me your information, I will move on to the next person who I'll just randomly pick. And at that point, I'll just pin that person in the comments. So I'll pin you first, and then from there we'll move on if you don't reach out to me. So just keep a lookout on my next videos that will be coming up with some great content. The weather's a little cold, so once it warms up, I'll be shooting some videos outside as well. Thank you guys for subscribing. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell to stay tuned to all my upcoming content for you guys. And if you haven't already, follow me on Instagram for your daily dose of 410 Auto Tech. So at this point, thank you for watching. Miguel Mendez, thank you. You are the winner. This is going to be 410 Auto Tech out.